Now let us learn how to connect a transformer to an electronic circuit or to a breadboard. Transformer, basically it is of two kinds. One is a step-up transformer which converts a lower voltage into a higher voltage. The other one is a step-down transformer which converts a higher voltage into a lower voltage. The transformer end, which is connected to the higher voltage, has more number of coil turns, whereas a transformer end which is connected to the lower voltage has less number of coil turns. And transformer doesn't have any polarities. The requirements for connecting a transformer is a transformer, a power cord, a female and a male connector. This is a female connector and this is a male connector. Connecting wires, breadboard or any electronic circuit, and multimeter for testing. Now let us take a connected transformer. The transformer, the power cord has to be connected. This power cord has to be connected to the side of the transformer that needs to be connected to the 230 volt supply. This side has to be connected to 230 volt supply. So this, with the help of an insulation tape, we are connecting it with a power cord. The other end has to be connected to a lower voltage. So this end is, with the help of an insulation tape, it is connected to the female connector. This is a 9 volt converter, that is, for example, this converts a 230 volt to a 9 volt supply. Both are in AC. Now let us see how to connect this. Take the breadboard. Keep the male connector. Keep the male connector. Take the connecting wires and connect it. Okay. Now connect this female connector to the male connector this way. The arrowhead has to be pointed like this. Yeah. Now it is ready for testing. Connect this power cord to the power supply. And connect the other end to the multimeter. Okay, let us switch multimeter on. Initially it's around 0 volts because we have not switched on the power supply. Now we'll switch on the power supply and then check it. Let us switch on the power supply. LED is glowing. We can hear the transformer running. Now we'll check the multimeter. Yeah, it is showing around 10 volts. That's good. Now we have kept the multimeter. If you could see, it is kept in the 200 point. it is kept in the 200 point for the alternating voltage. The arrowhead points to 200 point. So here what we get is the output is a 10 volt. It's approximately 10 volt. And this, so we can find out that this transformer is a step down transformer that converts a 230 volt supply to a 10 volt supply. But here it's actually a 9 volt converter. It's giving 1 volt extra. That usually happens. Okay, thanks and regards from Srivari Electrocrafts.